what's up? Hello. So for today's video, I wanted to film something with my new iPad that I just got. So I wanted to show you guys what I have on my iPad, some apps that I just bought. And yeah, I'm so super grateful that I was able to get this iPad. And yes, I would have set up the camera properly for this intro, but I'm going to change the camera angle anyways. And I just wanted to show you guys my cute wall. Here, one second. So basically, this wall is my pride and joy. I have these two huge plants that I got from, I'm not sure, like a local farm. And then I have this clothing rack that I got on Amazon, and it's full of all my Depop stuff. This is more Depop stuff that I'm taking pictures in after I film this video. But yeah, this is my literal pride and joy. Oh, and those lights I got at Five Below, and then this wallpaper that's like a brick wall, I got it from Amazon. So yeah, I'm really proud of this wall. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that. But now I'm going to switch the angle and let's go see what's on my iPad. Alright, so hi, this is my iPad. I got this case from Amazon and I'll leave a link down below, but this is my iPad. Oh, can you see me? Hey. This is a tri-folding case and that's super helpful, but for today we'll just leave it like this. So here is my pencil. I got the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Oh, and also this iPad is the iPad Pro 11-inch. So yeah, this is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It's kind of covered right now, but I have laur engraved right here because it was free, and also on the back of this I have laur engraved because it was free. And yeah, I think this is so cute. Look at this. Look at those ears. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So yeah, and also it came with these little covers. I don't really know if you're supposed to keep them on, but like I use it while I'm using the iPad and it works perfectly fine. So yeah. Okay, so when I first open it, I have this collage background that was made by one of my YouTube friends, Julia Chris, and she has so many different ones on her website. But yeah, I just love this one because it's neutral. So I have Face ID. And yeah, so when you first open it, I have this cow print background that I found on Pinterest. Yeah, and then I just took all the apps and basically I kept out the ones that I would most likely need, and then I put all the random ones in here. So I have like Facebook, messages, I have calendar, photos, camera, app store, settings, keynote, and iMovie, even though I am not able to use iMovie. And then in here are like all the ones that it usually comes with, which I'm most likely not going to touch ever. And then down here it shows the ones that I have recently used, so Safari, Good Notes, Files, Spotify, and this is an app for my camera. And then this is my editing software and photos. So then when you swipe this way, I have them in little categories, and let me zoom it in. I also followed Julia's video and I changed the font to all of my folders. Okay, so this first one I have Lifetime so that I can watch Dance Moms. I have Netflix so I can watch Criminal Minds, and Disney Plus, I love watching Hannah Montana, I love watching Where's the Way Place, and those are just like shows for me to watch when I'm going to sleep. And then my next folder is titled Editing. I have Superimpose, which is an app where you can basically make pictures have a transparent background, and then I have VSco, which I edit all of my videos and my Instagram with. I also have Fonto, which I have always made my thumbnails with. I have Snow, that can give a glitter like bling filter to some of my videos, whether it's like with TikToks or with my Instagram videos or anything. Prequel, that is like a retro filter app, and I use that sometimes on my Insta stories or my TikToks. And then Sketchbook, I feel like it's an off-brand version of Procreate. It hasn't been doing me the best, so yeah, I probably will be looking into getting Procreate. I also have fonts, which is how I did all of these fonts. And then I have Canva, which I made my own media kit on, which was super cool. And then I have Photoshop because I have my own portfolio, and it's an Adobe portfolio, so basically every month like I pay for the website, but I also get some Adobe apps for free too. So yeah, that's why I have that, and that I use to make my thumbnails as well. And then I have LumaFusion, which is what I was most scared about, because when I got this iPad I needed to have a good editing software, and this was $30, but it's $30 for forever, so I think it's gonna be really helpful. And then I have this app, Imaging Edge. I don't really know what it's called, but it's for my camera. Basically it's like Bluetooth, so I will be able to transfer my clips and my photos. Okay, so the next one is titled School. I am going to be using this iPad for school as well, so I know I'm going to be needing more apps, but so far I have Canvas, which is for like assignments and stuff, and then I have Duo Mobile, that's for my school, and then I have Outlook, which is the emails because I haven't figured out how to link it to my Gmail yet. And then I have my Gmail, which has my 2 emails, my Freckledlaur email and then my personal email. And then I also have a Zoom because sadly our classes next week are going to be on Zoom. Okay, and then for the last one, I have YouTube Studio because if I'm ever like on the run and I need to change something that I spelled wrong in my description or anything, I can just fix it really quick. I also have YouTube, obviously to watch YouTube, obviously to upload my stuff. And then I have Depop, which obviously is my shop. I post about it all the time, so if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out because it really means a lot to me to package orders and stuff because I make them super cute. And yeah, okay, and then next I have Instagram for if I need to post on my Freckledlaur account. And then I have PayPal. Okay. And then I also have PayPal, which I can see if my money has been sent to me. And then I have Pinterest for literally everything, like anything from inspo to just being on there because I'm bored. And yeah, so 2 things that I really recommend that everybody usually gets is GoodNotes. I downloaded this and I have so many already. I have this one, which is just a file that has a bunch of different stuff for Neptune Fitness apparel because we're having a photo shoot next week. I will be vlogging the behind the scenes. And then I also have to-do lists, so anytime that I want to make a to-do list or anything, I'm just going to put it in here. And then I have a 2020 calendar. This is Julia Chris's and it is super helpful. Like, here's her, she's so beautiful and I literally just love this calendar so much. I have all my classes in here all the way up until December, so I really hope next year that she comes out with another one because yeah. So basically I have like my finals. I'm still learning how to use this, but yeah, so I have all of these finals and stuff. This is December and we're still in June. So yeah, so GoodNotes is super helpful. And then also for me with editing, I had to get LumaFusion, which I just filmed this clip like 2 seconds ago and I wanted to make sure that it would get on here. It was so easy to put it on here, and the app that Bluetooths them together is this. And this is just so helpful because it literally transferred in like 2 minutes and it was great. After I film this clip, I'm going to be editing this and I'm probably going to be watching YouTube to learn how to do it. So yeah, I'm not the iPad expert just yet, but I really enjoy having this iPad. And I would show you my photos, but I don't have anything on there because I just got this 2 days ago. I really appreciate this because I'm so grateful that I was able to get this. So yeah, please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think they're pretty cool. And you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, also if you know any small businesses that have super cute stickers, you should leave them down below because I would love to fill this with stickers. And yeah, okay. Don't forget to check out my Depop, and yeah, okay, bye!